Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous Christmas wreath that will add the perfect festive touch to your front door. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get creating. I'm gonna start by painting my letter white. I'm gonna give it 2 coats and then I'm gonna let it dry. So while my letter is drying, I'm gonna start working on my wreath. This is an 18-inch grapevine wreath that I got from Walmart. I also got this bow from Walmart, and I'll put all the details in the description box. And so I'm gonna take my bow out of the package and I'm gonna attach it to my wreath. I'm also gonna add a dab of hot glue to my bow to make sure I keep it in place. Next, I'm going to add some of these fern. These are very pretty. I got this from Dollar Tree. All of the flowers that I got for this wreath are from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna add 4 of these, 2 on one side of the bow and 2 on the other side. Next, I'm going to be adding some of these white and red poinsettias. I'm just gonna remove the flowers from the stems and I'm going to glue them right on top of the fern. I'm also going to add some of these pine cones. They're very pretty. They have like gold glitter on them. That makes them look very sparkly. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit of this ribbon because it's kind of long, and I'm sorry I'm kind of out of the shot, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just cutting the ribbon to the length that I want. going to add a little more hot glue to the ribbon just to keep it in place. I'm also gonna add a few of these berries. I'm just gonna take them apart and then I'm gonna add a dab of glue to make sure they stay in place. Okay, so now I'm going to glue my letter, and for this I'm going to use also some hot glue to make sure it doesn't fall. And no, I'm not gluing the letter the wrong way, it's just the way I'm recording. I'm using the selfie side of my cell phone to record this video, and so it looks like the letter is the wrong way. It also looks like it's on the opposite side, but I'm going to take another shot from the front using the back camera, and you will see it is positioned the right way. And for the final touch, I'm going to take this empty space and I'm going to fill it up with some more berries and one little pine cone. So here is the finished product. This wreath came out so gorgeous. I cannot wait to hang it on my front door. Also, I'm recording it now with the back camera of my cell phone, so now you can see the letter the right way. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and create some of these ideas for yourself. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.